So in part B, we're told a student performs an investigation to study the factors that affect the rate of a reaction. And we're combining 50 milliliters of hydrochloric acid at the same temperature with the same amount of other reactant. And we measure the time required to go to completion. In part B, we need to identify that trial 5 is inconsistent with the other trials. We need to explain why the data might be we need to explain why this might be unreliable. So what we can see here is that for trial 5, we have a concentration of 3 with small chunks with a speed of time of 227. So what we know and what we can also see from the table is that obviously if we increase the concentration of one of the reactants, then the reaction should speed up, because then we have more particles in a given volume, and therefore more reactions can happen per unit time. However, what we can see that in trial 2, we also have small chunks. We have a concentration of 1, and we have a shorter time. That is not necessarily possible here. So comparing, for example, 1 and 2, that would make sense, or 1 and 4, for example. Compare 1 and 4, they have the same concentration, the same particle size. 4 has a larger concentration, and we can indeed see that the reaction was faster. However, 2 and 5 don't show this relationship. So 5 is slower, even though it has a larger concentration. And as we know from the syllabus, this should be the other way.